So you may be wondering what's different types of wet wall. You have various types of wet wall. You've got your PVC paneling all the way up to solid panels. So we'll start off with this type here. This is your 250 wide panels. You usually get 4 in a pack, which will cover 1 metre wide by 2.7 metres high. You get these in either a 5mm thickness or an 8mm thickness. Just like this here. I don't recommend the standard 5 and 8mm thickness panels. As you can see here, standard panels are so easily damaged, so it's not something I would recommend. If you want to go for an 8mm panel, it needs to be a super strong panel, and that's this panel here. It's the only one that we do, and you can see by the gauge, it's a lot stronger than your standard 5 and 8mm panels. Very, very strong. Okay, so the next ones after that, again, is your corrugated PVC panels again, and these are 1 metre wide panels. So metre wide, 10mm thick, and 2.4 metres high. These are quite substantial as well. They're quite a strong panel. Right. Next ones after that is your solid panels. These solid panels are SPC, which is a stone plastic composite. But these are 10mm thick, and you can see they're solid. Very, very good for impact. So you could hit that with a hammer and probably wouldn't make a dent in it. So again, they're 1 metre wide and 2.4 metres high, tongue and groove panels. Next range after that is your solid wood core panels. So these are either in an MDF, Medite core, which is a waterproof core, or a plywood core, which is again waterproof wood core. With these, I've got a Formica face on them, usually quite top end. Usually see these in restaurants and commercial places. But the newest thing out just now is your SPC panels. Basically as strong as the wood core panels, but not with a premium price.